Hi Litwits. This week you are learning to understand the language of advertising. Now you've already started doing this because I've been banging on about it last week, and you're working on making your poster spreads. You're reading the booklet You Need It, okay? And looks a bit like this. I haven't made my screen big enough. So they're double page spreads. There are 4 pages for you to read. Each has questions around the text. So this one's asking target audience, who is it and why? Okay. You read through the text and decide who it is that this text is targeting, this particular 2 pages. Now, the reason you're doing this is so that you can make connections between what you're reading and the real world. Okay, so you've been exploring this a little bit in your writing as well, trying to figure out how to persuade somebody to want your particular app that you've made. Okay, so it's all around growing your knowledge of how this works and how the media knows how to convince you, or advertising agents know how to convince you of the fact that you need something when you really don't. There's questions all around the text, and I do want you to answer all of them, so keep an eye out for them as you read. So enjoy the reading, but answer the questions because it's targeted specifically to the text. Now just jump back here. Okay, so the link for this video will be up here. You're going to read through it, answer the questions, think about the connections between the text and the real world, because we will be discussing that once you've answered the questions. We'll have a session together. Okay, enjoy. If you have any questions, please come and see me.